Can you put a price on customers? With the right data from BI Vision, you possibly can. Understanding buying trends can really help increase upsell. And knowing which customers bought what will make recalling a product far less painful. Find out who your active customers are, know what they bought, and understand when they will likely buy again. You can export and share your data like this. It's easy to cross-filter by salesperson and then further sort the data by clicking on the table headers. You can even search within a specific dimension or multi-select what you need. And creating customizable dashboards for your information makes everything even more accessible.